Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jio Phone actually supports NFC. Check model and install any pending system update now. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and remove bulky cases because the antenna sits under the back cover. Then open Settings, go to Connectivity, and toggle NFC on. Keep the screen unlocked. This allows quick tag reads. You do this to ensure reliable communication and avoid failed reads caused by low power or physical obstruction. So act now and proceed to pairing. You now perform the core interaction. Open the app that will handle NFC content. This primes the phone to accept data. Next, place the NFC tag or card against the phone's back center and hold it steady for 2 to 4 seconds. You'll feel a short vibration or see a prompt when the phone reads the tag. Once the read occurs, follow on-screen prompts to save a contact, open a link, or process a payment. Do this because the app defines how the raw NFC payload is used. You finish by confirming the intended action inside the app, save, open, or confirm a payment, so you know the transaction succeeded. If nothing happens, toggle NFC off and on or restart the phone. Small resets clear temporary radio issues. If that still fails, try another tag and remove the phone case because physical blocking is common. Finally, check for system updates. Applying them fixes firmware NFC bugs. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.